Hello Internet! Do you want to go to Shanghai and train table tennis with a Chinese coach? If yes, here you are. You know, every year CTTC, China Table Tennis College, organizes a summer training camp in Shanghai for free. Normally, you will take a flight and train in China for free during the summer. But this year, due to the pandemic, CTTC will organize online coaching. The application is now open. The student will have one-by-one online coaching to improve table tennis skills. The duration is 28 days, and students will experience table tennis training, Chinese language courses, sightseeing tours, ITTF Museum, and CTT Museum. Application deadline is 26 May 2021. Tuition fee is free for all activities, and you get a certification, electronic or paper edition. The application form and the additional information is on PingSunday.
Gracias, tío. 谢谢。Merci beaucoup.